Hey guys, so today you are going to continue working with coordinate planes and working on using the different points to learn how to use a coordinate plane. So today you are going to complete a treasure hunt. So rumor has it that Treasure Island has always hidden treasure buried somewhere on the island. No one on the island understands the coordinate grid system until now. Two fifth graders, Naomi and Bruce, are up to the challenge. They were given a treasure map and set of directions. Let's help Naomi and Bruce find where the treasure is buried. So you're going to read these different clues. You're going to follow the directions. And you're going to complete your own treasure hunt. Okay? So go to the document that has this in it. You can print it, or you can complete it on a piece of notebook paper and have your parents take a picture of it and email it to me. Or you can print it and take a picture of it and email it to me once you are done. Have fun treasure hunting.